Hello, it's Feige here. What I have here is for my Facebook and YouTube is that I'm going to go down with all the people that inspire me to do this. Alright, number 32, Onision. Number 31, The Avice Show TV. Number 30, Dark Matter 2525. 29, Off the Great Wall. 28, Brother Nathnal. 27, The Great Grim Film. Scott and Annette, Prank and Spank. Cop Block. Jake 24. JK News Films Party and Ask the Fields. 23, Danger Dolan. 22, The Ming Thing. 21, Wong Fu Productions. And number 20, Jubilee Project. And number 19, Wild Banana. Thank you guys very much. Number 18, The Chico Board Studios. Number 17, Tree Potatoes. Number 16, Ryan Slavidia. Number 15, Cinema Sins. 14, Top 10. 13, Good Bad Flicks. 12, Fung Brothers Comedy. Number 11, Gian Hao Pan. Number 10, Saudi 2. Number 9, Prank vs. Prank. Number 8, Davison Comedy. At number 7, Nikki and John, Pranksters in Love. Number 6, Mikey Brewstas. Number 5, Pittsburgh Dad. Number 4, Mr. Repsion. And number 3, Rob Dyke. Number 2, Matthew Santoro. And last but not least, number 1 person who just inspired me to do better on YouTube, push myself to the limit, Skippy Abel, Skippy 62 Abel, also known as the LA Beast. And I have, for my videos that I posted up there for my blog, is likes. I have 38 likes per videos. They add up. 4 dislikes, 3 comments, 548 views, and 7 subscribers. Thank you all. Thank you very much. And for my Facebook friends, this is going on Facebook too. Number 12, Adrian Renee. Number 11, J.R. Ronald. Number 10, Jennifer Friday. Number 9, Victoria Donofrio Payne. Number 8, Sharon Solinsky. Number 7, David Harder. Number 6, Carrie Coleman. Number 5, Christy C. Decker. Number 4, Foon Thon. Number 3, Rose Leo. Number 2, EJ Crow. And number 1, Russian Reed David. Thank you guys very much for everything too.